What's up, IG family? So today we're going to be changing out this, actually not changing out, but installing these filter dryers on this Copeland compressor on a split system. So I started by loosening up these screws. So we're going to start with our liquid filter. Here it is. I've already got the cap off. You're going to see a little screw here. I'm going to pull that out, and this is where we're installing our filter. Once again, this is our liquid filter, not to be confused with the suction. These are made by Sportland. They come vacuum sealed from the factory, and you need a special tool that looks like that to open it. So we're going to remove the spring and then twist this puppy off. I had already loosened it up. So we got this top part here and the screw, and there's a gasket here. This filter comes with all new gaskets. Go ahead and grab our filter. As you can see, there's a flat side. It's like cylinder, just straight flat. And then we've got our little like a funnel shape. This funnel shape is going to go towards the incoming of the liquid, so we're going to point it this way. So that's the back, that's the bottom. We're going to just place it there. That's done. We're going to go ahead and put our cap back on. Screw that back in. Got that all taken care of. We're going to go ahead and trace out our gasket. Once we've got our gasket traced out, we're going to oil it up. I just put a little bit of oil in on a cap that I wasn't going to use anymore. Make sure it's nice. Once you're all done lubing it up, it should look like this. Then we're going to move on to getting that one. That's another gasket. You could also peel that one off, but since this is a brand new compressor, we're just going to reuse this one since it's brand new as well. See, that one's all done. We're going to go ahead and put this back once again with the funnel side towards where the inlet of the liquid line is coming. I'm going to just put it back in there, get the cap back on. This is what the bolts look like. You're going to go ahead and put it in through here, never vice versa. The purpose of this square nut is to hold it in place while you make sure it compresses all the way in. I'm going to show you how to do that in a little bit. I've got my 1/2-inch ratchet. The way we're going to start to tighten this is we're going to do opposite. So we're going to start here and then hit the opposite of that one. Then hit the opposite of that one, then hit the opposite of that one, and so on and so forth. You want to do a star motion, and the reason being is because we want to make sure that the compression is even all the way through all these bolts. What'll happen is if I just tighten this side, you can potentially have a leak on the opposite side or in the middle and what have you. So the best way to do these is the star motion. So there it is, guys. We've got an even compression all the way around our liquid filter. And yeah, that's how you install one of these babies. Fairly easy.